So in this case, we're going to use the Mito command line jobs. We'll do it in a couple different ways, but we're going to start that same job that sleeps for 10 seconds. So one of them here, this is using a command job, and this is actually using curl inside of a command job. So this basically does that exact same post request to start a job. So you can see all the stuff if you're familiar with curl. This is just posting some data with some headers. It's sending this JSON object with action start, and it's sending this to Mito itself. This is using localhost, so it's like internal to Mito and just hitting Mito's API directly. So if we start this job, let's go back to command here. So if I start this job, what we'll see is that sleep 10 is also going to start. And there it goes. And so it'll sleep, or it'll run for 10 seconds, and then it'll stop. So the other one here, just a different way of doing this. This is going to be using the Mito command line. So not only does Mito have a UI and APIs, it has a command line utility. And so there'll be more interesting things to come from that later on this year. But this job is using another command job. And this command job is just sending a command that says Mito start and then the job ID. So this is just a Mito job in the UI using the Mito command line interface to start job number 12. So again, if we go back and look at this, if we run this job, we'll see job number 12 also starting. And those will run together, and that'll finish after 10 seconds. All right.